The Find and Recode feature in Xero is quite a useful feature, and it will save you a lot of time. Where you go to Find and Recode is if you go to Accounting and Advanced and you select Find and Recode, here you can come to the specific location. Now, the Find and Recode feature is very useful for if you're trying to recode a number of transactions and you don't want to go to the individual transactions to recode it, you can do it separately, and that will save you a lot of time. So the way you do it is you select Find and Recode, you add a condition. So let's say I'm looking at the account for accounting, for example, and I select search. I can see all of the transactions for accounting. So let's say I wanted to select this transaction and that transaction, and I wanted to recode it to, let's say, cost of sales, for example. I can also change the contact tax rate as well as the region as well, which is the tracking option as well. If I select review and confirm, you can see that it's done it within seconds.